Hey guys, welcome to the session. So, only 20 days are left for CAT, and you must be thinking if it is really possible for me to get into an IIM with just 20 days of preparation. So, it might seem improbable from outside, due to which you might not even start thinking towards it. But you must put absolute focus on what I'm going to say, because it is enough, if religiously followed, to make highly probable for you to get into an IIM. So coming to the first question, can I get into an IIM with just 20 days of preparation? The answer is yes. It is very much possible. Every year many students do it, so you can do it as well. It requires a pinch of optimism and carefully crafted strategy, and I'm going to discuss both of them in this session. Making any strategy requires a clarity of thought of what we are going to do. So I have divided the whole strategy into a series of questions. So first of all, we must need to know that what is the minimum safe percentile which is required to get into an IIM. Then comes what are the total marks that I need to get this safe percentile. And then we need to ask ourselves that how many questions we need to solve correctly in each of the three sections of CAT to get this marks. And then comes a very important question that what are the topics that I need to read to solve these questions, these number of questions correctly. And very important point is that how to practice to improve accuracy, because you might it might be easier for you to solve these questions right now at the comfort of your home, but getting these questions correctly in the exam is a completely different ball game, because you are in a constant stress of performance out there. So this is also very important to have a good practice of these topics to get an improved accuracy during the exam. So these are the different questions that I'm going to address in this session. Minimum safe percentile required is dependent upon a lot of factors. So by considering all these factors, I have came to a conclusion that 95 percentile is the minimum safe percentile. And if you are able to achieve this much marks or this percentile, then it will you will be in a very good position to not only get a IIM call but to actually convert it into a seat. So the whole content of this video is devised in such a way that it will help you a lot in getting this 95 percentile. And if you are a student of any other category apart from general, then the safe percentile for you will be less, but there is no harm in getting 95 percentile. So let's move forward and see that how we can achieve this dream percentile, so that you will be just a door away from getting into a very good IIM in fact. So in the past few years, CAT has changed its format a lot. So in 2019, CAT used to be of 100 questions and 3 hours in time, where each of the three sections got 60 minutes threshold. In verbal, we used to have 34 questions. In LRDI, we used to have 32 questions. In quant, we used to have 34 questions. And the marks that you need to score to get 95 percentile was 120 marks. So in CAT 2020, the format changed. The total paper became of 2 hours out of three, and the questions were decreased as well, 76 out of from 100. And the verbal section got 26 questions, LRDA got 24 questions, Quant got 26 questions. And the marks that you need to have for getting 95 percentile was 76 marks. So in 2021, the pattern is subjected to change. IEMs have clarified that the total time will be of 2 hours only, but the number of questions are going to decrease. So it is undisclosed that how many questions are going to be there, and so there's a very likely chance that the question will be from 64 to 66 in totality. out of which about 20 to 23 questions will be there in verbal, 20 to 21 questions will be there in LRDI, 22 to 23 questions will be there in quant. So as we do not know that how many questions are going to be there, so there is no definite answer for how much marks you need to score to get 95 percentile. So rather than answering this question, how many marks, we should need to answer that how many questions that you need to actually solve in the exam to get that percentile. So that is something that we are going to look at. इससे पहले मैं आपको यह बताऊं कि किस सेक्शन में हमें कितने क्वेश्चन सही सॉल्व करने हैं। आपको यह चीज़ समझना ज़रूरी है कि कैट इज़ नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम। द रियल स्किल दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड इन कैट इज़ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस करेक्टली इन ए वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, जिसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस फॉर मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स। And because we have a constraint that we do not have that much amount of time, we just have 20 days, we are going to focus on very specific topics. And if you are able to solve 8 questions correct in verbal, 6 questions correct in LRDI, and 9 questions correct in quant in 40 minutes each, and the word correctly is emphasized here, then you will get 95 percentile. So we just need to focus on those topics so that we equip ourselves with 8 questions amount of content, 6 questions amount of practice, and 9 questions amount of skill. तो जिसके लिए हमें उस टॉपिक्स की जानकारी होनी ज़रूरी है जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ. So coming towards each specific sections. So first of all, verbal section. So you will be surprised to know that 70% of total questions in verbal section is just reading comprehension. So about if I assume 23 questions come this year, around 15 questions will be there of verbal section, and out of these 15 questions, if we are going to solve 8 questions correctly, the requirement of verbal will be put in. Talking about the next section, which is LRDI. So LRDI comprises of multiple types of questions, out of which we have to focus upon only these three. Definitely a question of arrangement is going to come. This is a norm of IAM, and a question comprising of Venn diagram is also going to come. Fill in the blanks is not that repetitive every year, but if it comes, it is the easiest of the lot. So we are going to just practice these three types of questions, and if we are going to solve two sets of LRDI, 6 questions criteria will be met. So talking about the quant section. So one of the most asked topic in quant is number system. It is not that difficult to practice. There are some formulas, but it is doable. And time, speed, and distance is something that is that we have read at some point of time in our 11th and 12th class. So if we get ourselves through with some of the formulas and some types of questions, then it is doable as well. Exponents is doable, quadratic equation, mensuration comprises of a lot of formulas, but if we memorize this mensuration, and it is not going to take more than 2 days for that, then we can tackle its questions as well. And percentage and mixtures is something which is also doable. So if we are going to focus on this set of topics only, so some of people might tell you that geometry also asked too much, which is correct. There are 4 or 5 questions of geometry almost every year. But the problem with geometry is that it is a very difficult topic to practice. In fact, it is one of the most difficult topics to practice, and it requires a lot of time to get your hand right on it. So we are going to leave it, and if we practice these 6 topics correctly, we will get through the requirement of 9 questions in quant. So this is one of the most important section of this session, how to practice to improve accuracy. So every student who has performed well in CAT is going to recognize the fact that the mock test plays a vital role in improving the performance. Because through mock test you get your head around the amount of time which is there. You practice a lot to perform well in stress, and the mock test is vital and nobody can perform well without mock tests. So but as we have only 20 days, we do not have this liberty to take too many mock tests. So I advise you all to take at least 5 mock tests, but do not go more than this as well. So 5 mock tests every take a mock test every third or fourth day of your practice. See how you are able to read the passages. See how you are able to attempt LRDI in 40 minutes of time. See how to choose and reject different questions in quant. So this is vital, because if you are not going to take at least 5 mock tests, you are not going to get the desired percentile. So this has to be done. So and these mock tests should not be sectional wise, it should be complete mock test of 2 hours. You can take mock test for any coaching that is out there for you, but this is something that you have to do without any excuse. दोस्तों, चाहे कोई भी हर्डल हो लाइफ का, उसमें प्रिपरेशन के साथ साथ ऑप्टिमिज्म का होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड दीज आर द टू वाइटल कॉग्स इन जंपिंग अबाउट द हर्डल. तो मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. एक बार क्या हुआ, एक आदमी किसी से मिलने गया. उसने देखा कि एक बहुत बड़ा भारी भरकम हाथी एक बहुत ही छोटे से पोल से बंधा हुआ है, और पोल इतना छोटा था कि वो हाथी उसको एक झटके में तोड़ सकता था. लेकिन हाथी ने ऐसा नहीं किया. तो यह देखकर वो व्यक्ति बड़ा अचरज में आया, और उसने जाके हाथी के मालिक से पूछा कि ऐसा कैसे पॉसिबल है कि इतना भारी भरकम इतना बड़ा प्राणी इतने छोटे से कमज़ोर से पोल से बंधा हुआ है और उसको तोड़ने की भी वो कोशिश नहीं कर रहा. तो इससे सुनकर हाथी का मालिक बोला कि जब ये हाथी छोटा सा था तो ही मैंने इसको इस पोल से बांध दिया था. तो जो कि उस टाइम यह कमज़ोर था तो वो पोल को नहीं तोड़ पाता था. पर धीरे धीरे जब वो बड़ा हुआ, उसका जो ये बिलीफ था कि वो नहीं तोड़ पाएगा पोल को, वो कायम रहा, जबकि वो इतना ताकतवर हो चुका था. और आज वो उसी बिलीफ को लेकर जी रहा है कि वो इस पोल को नहीं तोड़ पाएगा. एंड दिस इज not very much different what happens with us. We inculcate certain beliefs in ourselves and we live around those beliefs. And इसमें से एक हमारी बिलीफ ये है कि हम इतने कम समय में किसी भी एग्ज़ाम जैसे कैट है उसकी प्रिपरेशन नहीं कर सकते हैं, या हमारी तैयारी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है तब भी हम उसको क्लियर नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये बिलीफ हमारा उस पोल के समान है जो हमें आगे बढ़ने से, हमें रिस्क लेने से, हमें ऑप्टिमिज्म रखने से रोकता है. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड ब्रेक एज वेल, नो मैटर हाउ मच योर प्रिपरेशन इज, which is something that you should try to improve every single day. But no matter how your preparation is, you have to be optimistic that something is going to happen, that things are going to change for you at the deciding day. Things are going to turn up in favor of you. So, and because the days are so less for CAT this time, that you have to carry this belief altogether to the examination day as well. And remember always that there is no rope that you cannot break. You just have to believe. Guys, I'm bringing a 20-day crash course on this channel where I'm going to discuss various strategies to solve the questions of the topics that I have mentioned before. So subscribe the channel for timely updates. Secondly, this crash course is not a substitute for 5 mock tests. That is something that you have to do separately. This is all for this session. So guys, it is time to break the rope.